Good day, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to import data into our system. For this purpose, we want to add more clients in the client's record. To do this, we want to create a CSV file. But before that, we want to check the fields that we want to create in the CSV file. We have the first name, last name, full name, and other details. So as you can see here, I have created one. So we have here the first name, last name, and make sure to also create a column for the full name, which populates the first name and the last name, the date of birth, the email, the phone, the gender, and the notes if they have some notes in there. So once we have created the CSV file and double check the fields that are needed, now we are going to import the CSV file. So let us close this one. Now to do that, go to Manage Records, look for the client's record, click Import, and select the CSV file that you have created. Now, double check if everything are mapped correctly. Everything seems good. Press Import. So now, as you can see, we have successfully imported 5 clients. To double check, before we have 2, now we have 7. So, upon checking, so everything is good. We have the first name, last name, full name, date of birth, gender, phone, and email. So there you have it, guys. So this is how to import data into the system. That's all. Thanks.